All right. Hey guys, it's your boy Inferdrime back again with another banger. This time, it's been a second with one of our top K-pop groups, Stray Kids. We're doing something a little different though. We're looking at Han, one of the members, I believe, on his solo Volcano. I believe he came out a couple months ago, and I was, like usual, stumbling through the grapevine. And I was like, you know what? Let's check it out. And let's see what's gonna be. Is it good from the sound of it like Volcano? I'm like, is it gonna be like some popping off stuff, But let's see. That could be something unexpected. Alright. Oh, hold up. I didn't expect that. Oh, that's smooth. That's actually smooth. So now initially I was like, it's gonna be a pop off. Now I'm thinking it's gonna be a smooth one, which is interesting. Let's see. That's more. I ain't gonna. Oh my god, my throat. All right, I'm good. I should start it fresh. I like the vibe. The vibe was pretty smooth. Let's go. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Hey. 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 I need to adjust, Oh. Hey. Come on. Hey. Oh. Hey. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Hey. Come on. I'm feeling this. Yeah, you. That beat, Oh. Damn. Oh. Got your boy feeling some kind of way. Hey, okay. Speak your tin, Ooh. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's sweating me, Hey, let's go. Oh, the lyrics, The lyrics, Hey. Oh, come on. Oh, damn. Okay, now. Come on. Oh, come on. Hey. Oh, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. Oh, I finna listen to this again, but don't worry, we're gonna go through it again, But I love because I don't know. I just love the transition because it initially starts off soft and it's just going smooth. Let's finish it up first. So there's still more to go. Oh, let's go, Hey, Volcano. Oh, that's so good. Volcano. Oh. My guy's vocals are on point, you know. Oh, his vocals are on point. This is woo! Okay, I do feel now at first I thought it was just gonna be, you know, boom, you know, like the usual, you know, the popping off with the raps and everything, but it was like a U-turn, you know. Whoa, it started mellow, smooth beat. Then he got into it. Then he was like, "Hey, yo, I think this is so I think this is like a romantic song, you know, because it was like a confession kind of thing. I didn't really overly look everything in the lyrics, but you know, it was giving me that kind of vibe. Then, you know, then the transition, you just went back to the high, boom, like Volcano. Ooh, yeah, man, guys, vocals, man, it's impressive. Hey, yo, you know, it got your boy. It's sweating me. This stuff sweating me. You know, it's good. It's great, and I think lyrically it was pretty good. I saw some like nice lines there that was like making me go, damn. I loved, for me, the beat. I love the transition. And also one of my favorite part was, you know, the part that he just went ham on the beat. You know, he just went for it. That guy was spitting bars, you know. Got the ladies out there being like, hot damn, you know. But this guy, ooh. Like I said, I want to do it one more time, you know. Oh, I just gotta enjoy this again. Let's pay attention a little bit to more of the lyrics, you know, check it out how it's going. That's pretty nice. I like it. Yeah, smooth. So nice, you know. Hey, got your boy vibing. Yay, hey, sweating. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Deep the lyrics, you know. Oh, come on. Oh, that start. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Let's go. Yeah. Speak it. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Oh, B. Ooh. Hey. Come on. Ooh. Beat. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's sweet in the man, you know. Ooh, come on. It's my favorite part. Look at him rave. Hey. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling this. Yeah. Oh, come on. The drop, so smooth. Hey. Oh, this is fire. Yeah. Oh, this is smooth. This is smooth. Now this gives me silky smooth, you know? Okay. I don't know about other people, but for me, I'm gonna give it la creme de la creme. Cause it was just, I feel like a song that I could resonate with. It was silky smooth, you know? It just went, ooh. I just sweating the man. It just sweating me. I was like, yeah, this is a good song. This a song. This is a banger. This is nice. This is smooth. It's like a nice description. You know, it's like a nice expression. I love it. Now your man is just feeling it. It's nice. It's really nice. Like I gotta give this. Let's see. I gotta give this like a 9.2, 9.3. I'm gonna give it a 9. Okay, I'll give it a 9.3. A little bit of bias because, you know, the lyrics are nice. The lyrics was nice in your boy. The lyrics are cool. I like it. It's a good song. Think it's great. What do I think? Transition was on point. Vocals were on point. Beat was on point. Alright. It should have a video, you know. It should have a video. I think it's pretty neat. It's pretty slick. Like I said, silky smooth. What do you guys think? Alright. Don't forget to put your thoughts in the comment. Let me know what you think about it. For me, I think this is a banger. I think this is nice. This is pretty smooth, unexpected, but ooh la la, you know. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you saw. Let me know your thoughts once again. And, you know, I'll see you next time. Peace.